I have chosen is not traditional legends. It is the battle of good versus evil within ourselves. This Otea is not a spiritual nature, but a representation of our ability to control the negative illusions within ourselves. Through our own self-control and discipline, we can overcome the evil within us. This is a reminder that life is a platform and we choose our own behavior, which determines the victory of good versus evil. Coming to the stage, Lassen Genilla, number 286.
Let's go, Lex!